is that I can do a special order and custom cut my Sörbo squeegee to the exact same size panes, and I can be a lot quicker and it'll be a lot less labor for me. So that's what's cool about Sörbo, is that he's a window cleaner and he takes care of his other window cleaners, so that's pretty cool with me. And also he's my mentor. I used to watch him way back in the days when VHS used to be around, and he used to do tutorial window cleaning videos, and he helped me to become a professional window cleaner. Also, he's the inventor of the wide body channel. He has many patents out there and inventions. So he's a very successful window cleaner, who I know personally. So I just wanted you guys to know about that. So I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate that one pass technique. And I believe that the quicker you are, the quicker you're going to make money. And that's what it's all about with Sörbo.